In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload documents on FxPro. Now, the first thing you have to do here, once you're signed into your account, on your dashboard, you should see this pop-up at the very top of your screen, which says activate your profile and gives you the option to actually upload your documents. However, if you don't see this, click on the very top right here, or just hover over your profile icon and click on upload documents over here. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to take you to over here where it's going to say, please verify your identity. And then you actually have two options. You could either, of course, scan your QR code or, of course, download their app on the Google Play or App Store. And then in there, you're going to have to upload a photo of your ID or driver's license and make a selfie. Or you could just stay and verify via browser. You can just click on over here and it's going to take you onto a separate page where you basically have to start the FxPro verification process. And then, of course, it says you're about to submit sensitive data to FxPro. And of course, just like that, you want to go continue, and then you're going to have to basically provide your identity document and then perform your liveness check. And just like this, you can just keep on continuing and you'll be good to go, and you can upload your documents that way. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.